Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do next in your random sprite challenge. So by now, you've already created your random sprite. You have probably created your storyboard for what it is you're going to do. And the next thing you're going to do is use the resources that are below this to actually customize your costumes, so there are many different costumes. So for example, if maybe you were going to have a story with the ugly puppy, which is the name that I gave for my sprite, then you might have it so that the ugly puppy is going on a walk. So you might want to make it so that you have a walking sprite, and you start with this, and you're going to add a bunch more where the legs move, and so it makes it look like the sprite is kind of like walking across the screen. Or maybe you'll make it so that this ugly puppy starts barking, so you want to make the mouth open and close, and so you would create different costumes for that. And you're going to create some smooth animations for each one of the motions that you're going to use in your dance, in your story, in your game, whatever it is that you're creating. So use the resources below with your randomly created sprite and create some interesting animations for that sprite. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.